Decathlon, a dedicated sports equipment retailer and manufacturer with a French heritage and featuring 1,267 stores in 35 countries globally, has confirmed that plans are underway to establish its first East Africa store at the hub Karen next year. The entry of Decathlon in the local market will serve to further enhance foreign direct investment flows in the local formal retail market by French companies. Established in 1976 in France, Decathlon currently operates in more than 35 countries globally, with turnover in excess of 10 billion euros. Last year, it hit more than 300 stores in its home market of France. Decathlon generated turnovers in excess of 3.3 billion euros, with its international business generating more than 6.7 billion euros from its operations in Brazil, Mexico, China, Russia, India, Europe, among other regions.